Hey, what's going on? What's up? How are you all doing today? Thanks for coming to this video, guys. My name is Aline. I'm here for a very interesting reason. It's to help my male friends, of course, but not just to help you guys out. I want you guys to be totally healthy. I want you to enter your old age being totally healthy and still having the best sex drive, the best libido levels ever, okay? So in today's video, I want to talk to you about a natural supplement known as EndoPump. EndoPump can give you a lot of benefits. It is created using only natural ingredients, and just what it will do to your body, it's amazing. Have you heard about endothelium before? You're going to be surprised by knowing that endothelium is exactly what your body starts to lack as you get older. But now let's just talk about something very important. If you want to purchase EndoPump, the only place on the internet that you are going to find it is on their official webpage, but not many people realize that they have an official webpage. So I already went there myself and got the link for you guys. I left it below this video in the description box so you can make a safe and secure purchase and receive the original EndoPump, okay? So make sure you visit this link right here after you finished hearing what I have to say here, okay? But guys, honestly though, like EndoPump, it's just a revolutionary way to help men become healthier and more alive as they age. So it's totally normal. Like once you do start aging, you guys start to have less endothelium levels. And basically this organ is responsible for many things in your body. It can help you, take care of your prostate levels. It can help you control your blood circulation. It controls your stamina, libido levels. You get the picture, right? But once you get older, your endothelium levels kind of like drop, bringing you all these problems. But that is where EndoPump jumps in to help you out. So EndoPump, it is a natural supplement. It is 100% natural, guys. And the ingredients that goes into creating it are like vitamin E, niacin, horny goat weed extract. You get like Murioma puama powder. And it just has so many ingredients that are really good for you, that are exactly what you need to raise those levels, to raise your endothelium. And so your endothelium can take care of everything else. And what makes EndoPump really great is that, yeah, this is a supplement that is from years of studies, years of tests, and it is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility, so it is trustworthy. It does not contain chemicals or toxins nor side effects, and lots of men all over the world are using it. So EndoPump is like a natural formula that helps support a healthy endothelium, and it can just give you so many benefits. Be more like younger as you're getting older, feel more alive as well, have more disposition and more sex drive. And guys, they offer you a 90-day money-back guarantee. In case you need a refund, you just request it on the official webpage. But it is also recommended that you do a 3 to 6 months treatment in order to really take in all the benefits that EndoPump has to give you. So just take it seriously and be patient, all right? Patience is key. You're not gonna get results overnight just like that, but you have to be very committed. So what are you waiting for? It's time to enter your old age being totally healthy, totally more alive, feeling like you're a young boy again, So visit this link right here. But for now, thanks for watching, okay? I hope I have helped you out somehow. See you guys next time. Bye.